Two words: 4K webcam. We at AVerMedia strive to provide the highest quality tools for your creative needs, and this new 4K webcam is no exception. Today, we'll review the specs of our latest 4K webcam, the Livestreamer Cam 513, and its companion software, CamEngine 3.0. Let's get started. The Livestreamer Cam 513 shoots video at 4K 30 frames per second. This means you can zoom up to 4 times and still be at full HD. Here's 2x zoom, and here's 4x zoom. In addition, this cam has a 94-degree field of view. This webcam's field of view is one of the widest in the market, so make the most of it. Show the friends you're playing with, the cats that jump on your desk, all the decorations in the back of your room, and more. On top of the wide-angle field of view, this camera also has a 360-degree swivel. Get the perfect angle no matter where you place your webcam. This camera uses fixed focus rather than autofocus. This means the camera is perfectly calibrated for the average distance a user would sit from the webcam, which is about 2 to 4 feet. This also means that unlike other cameras, you won't have any awkward blurring as you move around on screen. Last but not least, this camera utilizes USB 3.0. When it comes to webcams, specs are specs. It's pretty easy to compare one camera to the other. What makes this camera incomparable to others is CamEngine. Use CamEngine as your camera source in your streaming software of choice and get started. CamEngine is what makes the most of the 4K picture and ultra-wide angle of this webcam. To start, you have your basic webcam customization features such as brightness, contrast, hue, and more. You can also customize your white balance and backlight compensation. Adjust these settings to match your lighting and your space. Next, we have 2 extremely useful filters. Slide the skin tone filter to balance the picture for your skin tone. I'll zoom in for this one. Slide the smoothing filter to smooth out the rough details. Next, we have face effects, which are also found in our older versions of CamEngine. You can be a demon, you can be a cat, or you can pretend you're good at Fall Guys and wear the crown. Next, we have EPTZ. With EPTZ, you can set custom frames such as fully zoomed out, zoomed in a little bit, zoomed in a lot, or zoomed in all the way. To set a new EPTZ preset, click on one of the slots, zoom in however much you want, and in the preview window, adjust the frame. Next, we have 2 modes of AI face tracking. The first tracks by face. So if you have multiple people, it'll adjust the camera angle to show all of them. And the other goes by speech. So it'll focus on whoever's talking based off of mouth movement. This 4K webcam is awesome. Consider the Livestreamer Cam 513 as your next webcam. Your camera and your cameraman all in one.